Peregrine falcon speed. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird in the world, reaching speeds of over 240 miles per hour, 386 kilometers per hour, during its hunting stoop or high-speed dive. Hummingbird heartbeat. Hummingbirds have incredibly fast heartbeats, with some species reaching up to 1,260 beats per minute. This rapid heartbeat is essential to support their rapid wing movements, allowing them to hover in mid-air. Arctic tern migration. The Arctic tern holds the record for the longest migratory journey of any bird. It travels from its Arctic breeding grounds to the Antarctic and back, covering about 44,000 miles, 70,000 kilometers, round trip annually. Tool using New Caledonian crow. The New Caledonian crow is known for its remarkable intelligence and ability to use tools. It has been observed crafting and using tools to extract insects from tree bark, showcasing advanced problem-solving skills among birds. Lyrebird mimicry. The superb lyrebird of Australia is an exceptional mimic, able to imitate a variety of sounds from its environment, including chainsaws, camera shutters, and other bird species. Males use their impressive mimicking abilities as part of their courtship displays. Like my channel daily watch video.